What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about changing the oil on your S2000. There's been a lot of forum posts about changing the oil without jacking up the car, but no one's ever made a video on it, so I'm going to show you guys how that goes. And even if you don't have an S2000, this could be applied to a lot of areas of automotive DIYs and repair, because I think the first step in automotive repair is to analyze what's going on, troubleshoot, and plan for the best course of action. So this is the example here. You take a look at it and there's a lot of open room here. The reason for this is because of a cold air intake install, the Takeda here that you can see. And this box is very simple to remove for me. Even if you had a regular cold air intake like an AEM or something like that, I don't even think you'd have to remove it. I think you'd have enough room. But I removed this box here because there was 2 bolts holding it here and there. Very simple to remove, and I was able to just lift this up and out of the way and disconnect the elbow there. And I just left it to the side there because it's got the sensor on it. And it was very simple to get to. You got a lot of room there, more than enough. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. The drain bolt, which you can see right here, is a 17mm head with a crush washer on it. I'm going to replace that crush washer with a part that I got from the Honda dealer for about 59 cents. So I don't know if you can see where that oil is dripping out right there. That's where the drain plug goes. I can get to it very easily, as you can see with my hand right here. And it's got plenty of room in there to stick a ratchet in there and loosen that up and torque it back up once you're done. I've also got plenty of room to get to the oil filter there. And so this makes for a really easy job to change your oil. I don't see why you wouldn't do it this way. Jacking up the car can lead to some kind of a disaster, whether it be a mess of oil, or if I were to post this video on the internet and everybody would say, oh, you're doing it the wrong way and that's not safe and this and that. So we've avoided all of that, and I didn't even have to get on the ground, which is good because it rained and it would have been all wet and ugly. And as you can see, I've got my top cap off there to allow for better drainage. And I'll put the drain plug back in. I'll replace this crush washer here with the new one. That's step 1. And I'll remove the old oil filter here. I can do it by hand, but even if I couldn't, I'd use like a channel lock pliers, or ideally the right tool for the job, which is an oil filter wrench. I'll replace that the right way. Instructions for the installation of that are found right on here, and I would say to use a Honda filter. I think they're, it's the way to go. It's got torque specifications right on there. And so yeah, I didn't get messy, and I can slide the used oil out from right there. It's just in a pan, and I'll slide that out just nice and easy and not make a mess, and dispose of it in an environmentally friendly way. So I think this can be applied to a lot of vehicles, guys. If you just take the time and take a look at what's going on and not panic, there's no reason why anybody can't do it yourself. Thanks for watching.